only leading batsman so far in the regional 4-day cricket season has been veteran Trinidadian batter Jason Mohammed, who scored 3 consecutive centuries in amassing almost 500 runs at an average of almost 250. Exciting prospect, right? Not quite, as Jason Mohammed is 38, going 39 years old. Hardly a bright prospect for the future. But so poor have been our standards that a man who is almost 40 is so imperiously dominating the best of our regional bowlers, conspicuously outperforming all the other batters in the region. And of course, if Jason Mohammed continues to score at this rate, who can argue he should not be considered for the Australia series? But no matter how we slice and dice it, at 38, going 39, almost 40-year-old, emerging as the top batsman in the region right now, that right there is an index of what has gone so wrong with West Indies cricket.